To make a piece of art, it must have the following visual components: color, form, line, shape, space, texture, and value. It may be 2 or 3 dimensional, descriptive, implied, or abstract. Art is often considered the process or product of deliberately arranging elements in a way that appeals to the senses or emotions. It encompasses a diverse range of human activities, creations, and ways of expression, including music, literature, film, sculpture, and paintings. The abstract part of this is perhaps the medium that is in use, a forest in this case. The term forestry is often defined as the art and science of growing and managing forests. But the art is actually what happens between our ears. It is the complex mechanism of thoughts and actions that explain why, in a way which others between their own ears can either accept the concept or reject it. Today marks the beginning of my combining forestry and art. Just like smoke and fog make smog, the forest and art from here on to be referred to as art. For me, this fart installation represents the recognition of the latent dormant caveman or woman in us all. It is by recognizing these dormant needs that we can somehow understand the obsession that is camping, the why of it, or as my old friends would say, the point of it all. What is the point of fart? To fart. It is an idea that for the most part over the years I could not define in words. In fact, I mostly found the ideas and concepts not really desires at all, and certainly not worthy of defining. They were just the drive to explore, the drive to stand out in the woods, the drive to see if I could survive a night in a tent. I thought camping was just something people did, and didn't quite understand that there could be a reason for the desire. So my fart, for the most part, is a way to share a moment with my dormant caveman. I can leave it here for others to stand in my fart and breathe in the concept of fart. Sitting here, having almost completed my first piece of fart, I think about making more pieces of fart. So when you go in to the forest, think of this. Think of why you're there, for rest. And think of the art of, and all the work that goes into a forest. We shouldn't leave a trace, but we should make something that sends a message. Farts in forests. I hope that's a legacy that maybe continues someday, and people understand why they want to fart in forests. Thanks for watching my film.